to be here on this stage to celebrate with you all the 75th Independence Day celebration. I know many of our teachers are missing our students, but please note that all our students are online. They are watching the program from home. And I would like to welcome every one of you this morning who are present here and those who are watching this program. I also thank all of you for being a part to celebrate this wonderful freedom movement in our life. We do need freedom because freedom is our right and we want to have it. There are three forms of freedom. Freedom from is one form, and that is what we got it from the British rule. And the next one is freedom to be. That is also another kind of freedom, what we want to be after we get the freedom. And the third one is freedom that we would like to be. That is not only the freedom that we get or what we want to be, what we want, but what we want to be in future. How can we exercise our freedom? How can we use this freedom so that it benefits us, it benefits our surrounding, and it helps in developing our country. Keeping this in mind, this three form of freedom, I welcome every one of you who are present here to celebrate this 75th Independence Day 2021. We have our chief guest, very well known. I'd like to welcome her onto the stage, and also I welcome our principal along with her that she will come and take the chair. As a small introduction, she is none other than our loving dear Karen Pani, who has served many years as teacher, who has inspired many students and has built the lives of many students too. We are happy to have her here this morning, and she is here with us, who is going to host the 75th Independence Day national flag, which we proudly enjoy and see how it unfurls. So I request her to come over along with principal. I request her to come, and we also have our administrative officer. We have our principal from town school, vice principal, who are also going to stand behind and be a part of hoisting the national flag for today. As we welcome her this morning, let us give a bouquet to her and clap for her presence and for her time that she gave us to be with us. Thank you very much.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय जय जय.
Our beloved students and teachers are going to share few words on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day.
Good morning to all, respected chief guest and all the honorees present here. my parents, teachers, and all my dear friends, brothers, and sisters. Today, I've I have been privileged to get this chance to say something on the 75th Independence Day of India. I feel so proud to be an Indian and celebrating this 15th August as my Independence Day. As we know, we got our freedom from the British government in the midnight of 14th August 1947. Over 200 years of slavery were ended that day. As we know, in the past 74 years, India had developed itself in many aspects, such as medicine, agriculture, to industries, and from military, and much more. India has also fought and overcome many problems such as drought, flood, famine, economical crisis, etc., etc. The list goes on. And in the past 1.5 years, India has been facing a serious problem such as the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic. I like to conclude that India, our country, we, the citizens of India, have to rise and make our country the most strong and unique country in the world. And we should not forget that united, we Indians are the greatest force in any of the world. And we should always keep it in our mind that we Indians, united, we stand, and divided, we fall. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers, and all my lovable friends. First of all, happy Independence Day. I, Shita Mahanti from class 10B, got an golden opportunity to speak few words on this auspicious day. So today we are going to celebrate this 75 years of independence. The Independence Day of India marks the freedom of the country from the British Empire in the year 1947. After independence, India became the world's largest democracy after the UK Parliament passed the Act of in 1947, transferring legislative sovereignty to the Indian Constituent Assembly. On the eve of India's independence, Jawaharlal Nehru, the Prime Minister, had said in his Thrusty with the Destiny speech that at the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will still awake to life and freedom, brings about a huge responsibility on our soldiers of Indians. We might have read about the struggles of Indian men and women for their British rule and the contribution to bring this country freedom. What we need is incomparable sacrifice, hardships our ancestors and country peoples had to go through for this approximately 190 years. Bringing independence to India from the freeing the British rulers is not easy, and every year in the 15th August is celebrated to pay respect to the culmination of struggle, hardships and sacrifices made by Indians to bring the country freedom. Jai Hind.
A very pleasant and charming morning to all. Respected chief guest, principal sir, teachers, and all my loving friends. Today, on this auspicious day, I am Varsha Priyadarshini of class 10C is going to deliver a speech on Independence Day. But first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is a day of great importance to all Indians. This is the day we celebrate freedom as a nation, while remembering those great stalwarts who made many sacrifices to make this freedom possible for us. We should also take a pause to reflect what this freedom is actually mean to us and what views we are going to make of it. Freedom doesn't mean that we can do anything we want without a regard to other, or freedom doesn't mean that we can earn money without a hook by or a crook. The freedom actually mean is using the opportunity that our nation provide us to do our best in whatever field we choose, so that this great nation prospers. If every Indian uses his or her freedom to become a self-sufficient, to work in the service of the poor and helpless, to spread an awareness and of social and economical justice, then that freedom will have been well used. And at last, I urge all my fellow friends to not to misuse this freedom, as this freedom is a gift and it must cherished. Our forefathers bravely achieved it. Freedom is their gift to us. Let us make them proud and take this nation forward to the pinnacles of glory and success. Jai Hind.
तिरंगा ही आन है, तिरंगा ही शान है, तिरंगा ही हम हिंदुस्तानियों की पहचान है। सुप्रभात माननीय मुख्य अतिथि, शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्रिय भाइयों और बहनों। मैं अर्चिता मिश्रा, कक्षा 10वीं ई की छात्रा, आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूं। आज मुझे इस अवसर पर कुछ कहने का मौका प्राप्त हुआ है, इसलिए मैं खुद को धन्य महसूस करती हूं। 15 अगस्त हमेशा से ही हमारे देश के लिए एक ऐसा दिन रहा है जिस दिन हम सब हमारे देश की सभी महिमाओं को याद करते हैं, क्योंकि हम शक्ति, साहस और दृढ़ता के साथ लड़ने वाले भारतीय सेनानियों के प्रयत्नों को याद करते हैं। भारत का स्वतंत्रता दिवस न केवल ब्रिटिश राज के शासन से भारत की आज़ादी को दर्शाता है, बल्कि हमारे देश की शक्ति और संघर्ष को भी दिखाता है। कई वर्षों तक अंग्रेज़ों के गुलामी झेलने के बाद 15 अगस्त 1947 में हमारे देश को आज़ादी प्राप्त हुई। अंग्रेज़ों के अत्याचार सहने के बाद कई सेनानियों ने अपना बलिदान दिया, तब जाकर हमें स्वतंत्रता का सुख प्राप्त हुआ। पिछले साल से हमारे देश में कोरोना महामारी फैली हुई है। हमारे शहीद सेनानियों की तरह डॉक्टर, नर्स, पुलिस कर्मचारी आदि हमारे देश को इस विकट परिस्थिति से बचाने के लिए एकजुट होकर कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर हमारे देश की सेवा कर रहे हैं। कई कर्मचारियों ने हमारे देश के हित के लिए अपने प्राण समर्पित कर दिए हैं। मैं हम सब की ओर से उन सब को धन्यवाद करती हूँ। आशा है हमारा देश सदैव उन्नति की ओर बढ़े और हमारा तिरंगा हमेशा ऊंचे आसमान पर लहराता फिरे। आज हम सब ये प्रण लेंगे कि आज़ादी की कभी शाम ना होने देंगे, शहीदों की कुर्बानी को बदनाम ना होने देंगे। बची हो जब तक एक भी बूंद लहू की हमारी रगों में, तब तक भारत माँ का आंचल नीलाम ना होने देंगे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
ए आकुमारी हिमाचल परिव्याप्त विशाल भारतवर्ष एवं तार जातीय पताकार पदारविंदरे मोर अनंत कोटि प्रणाम। सम्माननीय सभापति महोदय, सनस्वी यशस्वी अतिथिवृंद, प्रतिभादीप्त विज्ञ अध्यापक, प्राचार्य, आचार्यवृंद एवं मोर श्रद्धालु भाई और भौणी मैंने, आज हूँ 75तम स्वाधीनता दिवस। यही पवित्र दिवस रे मते किछि कहिबाकू सुजोग मिलिथिबारु मु निजकू धन्य मने करुछि। मिसु मोर देह ए देश माटी रे, देशवासी चली जातु पीठी रे, देशर स्वराज्य पथे जेते गाढ़, पुरु तही पड़ी मोर मांस हाड़। कथारे अछि जहा नहीं भारते ताहा नहीं जगते। आमे भारत को सुनार भारत बोली कहिताउ। वैदेशिक शासक माने सदा सर्वदा यह उपरे लोलुप दृष्टि पकाई आछंती। वाणिज्य करबा नारे सेमाने आम देश को आसिक शासन करछंती। जे प्रतिवाद करिछि ताकु प्रहार, गुलीमाड़, जेल दंड और फांसी खुंटरे झुलाई दिया जाए। 1857 मसीह सिपाही विद्रोहर आरंभ होइतिला एवं यार प्रभाव समग्र देश उपरे पड़ितिला। शेषरे देशर नेतृत्व नेले महात्मा गांधी एवं सुभाष चंद्र बोस। नेताजी को स्लोगान मते रक्त दियो एवं मु तुमको स्वाधीनता देवी एवं महात्मा गांधी अहिंसा नीति आगे मुंड नुआईतिले। 1947 मसीहा 15 अगस्त दिन आमको स्वाधीनता मिलता एवं यही दिन को आमे सब वर्ष स्वाधीनता दिवस रूप में पालन करूँ। किंतु स्वाधीनता पर भी आमे कौन सबु क्षेत्र में स्वाधीनता पाई परिचे ना शांति जीवन यापन करें। देश देश मध्य राज्य मध्य ठकामी, शत्रुता और विद्रोह मनोभाव बढ़िबारे लागिछि। ଯାହାଫଳରେ ଦେଶରେ ସନ୍ତ୍ରାସବାଦ ଏବଂ ଆତଙ୍କବାଦ ବଢ଼ିବାରେ ଲାଗିଛି। ତେଣୁ ଏହିସବୁ ଭାବନାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ି ଆଜି ଆମେ ଏକତ୍ରିତ ହୋଇ ଏହା ଶପଥ ନେବା ଯେ ଦେଶରେ ପରସ୍ପର ଭିତରେ ଶତ୍ରୁତା ମନୋଭାବ ନ ରଖି ଦେଶକୁ ଗୋଟେ ସମୃଦ୍ଧିଶାଳୀ ଭାରତ ଗଠନ କରିବା। ଶେଷରେ ଆମ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ସଂଗ୍ରାମୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ପ୍ରଣାମ। ଏତିକି କହି ମୁଁ ମୋର ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଶେଷ କରୁଛି। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। ଜୟ ହିନ୍ଦ।
Good morning, everybody. I am Sunanda Devi from grade 12th of Humanities. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. We need to ask those born before 1947 to know the pangs of anguish of being enslaved under the colonial rule. Those difficult times must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to those who fought for it, to those who sacrificed themselves for us, and to those who held their visions for our country. There is a big celebration every year in New Delhi Rajpath, where the national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag. Chandrasekhar Azad said, "If your blood is not in rage, then it is water flowing in your veins. For what is the flush of youth if it is not of service to the motherland?" Hence, it is our duty to perform sacrifice for our motherland, our duty sincerely, and to make our motherland proud. Jai Hind.
Rich in India, history united in the diversity. A salute to my independent country, India. Good morning, everyone. Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and sirs, and my dear friends. It is an absolute honor for me to stand here today and welcome you all to celebrate our Independence Day. I, Abhishek Satpathy of class 12th, Commerce Section A, with utmost pride, today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege to born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. As the citizen of India, we should now celebrate this day not only for distributing sweets and hosting the flags. We celebrate Independence Day to pay tribute to our great freedom fighters who gained independence for India's struggle and sacrifices. Let us all be proud of our nation. We all have to collectively strive to make our India strong, vibrant, and supreme. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Carried with care, coated with pride, dipped in love, fly in glory. Moments of freedom in seeds of joy. With this, I, Hepsiba Nag, wishing you Happy Independence Day. Good morning to all of you present over here. Respected dignitaries, teachers, friends, and my dear brothers and sisters. On the beautiful morning of this holy day, with patriotic fervor and pride, on 15 August, each Indian fills his heart with immense love and respect for his motherland. Being the sons and daughters of India, each year on this day, one unfolds the color of saffron, pure white and divine green with salute and tribute. As the youth of the nation, are organized each year to pay tribute to the freedom fighters and armed forces who each day protect us and secure us from the enemies. Therefore, on this day, being the citizen of India, it is our prime responsibility to uphold the virtues of the nation, stand for the nation, be for the nation, and be of the nation. Freedom is the most loving aspect of this era. It is something we aim for. It is our prime responsibility to sacrifice ourselves in contributing to our Mother India. On this very day, we should pay a heartful tribute to the million of martyrs of the Mother India, the brave souls, armed forces, the valiant soldiers and police as well as security forces who has engaged their life in contributing and safeguarding our mother nation.
Good morning, everyone. I am very delighted to express few words and heartfelt greetings to each and all. Today is the most important day in the year of our country. Each year we celebrate the day we become an independent nation, which means we were free to rule ourselves, but not by anyone else. After being ruled by the Britishers for 100 years, the mutual feelings toward foreign rule really brought the country together. To commemorate this historic event, we celebrate independence on 15th August every year. Jai Hind.
Now I'd like to invite our honorable chief guest of today, that she would come and shortly deliver a small note on this occasion. Let us all listen to her, as the sun is also and the temperature is also getting high, I know. We'll make it as short as possible, but the rest of the program will be telecasted live, where you all can also enjoy the program together. So I request her and welcome her onto the stage. She will come and deliver a small note on this occasion.
Dear parents, teachers, and my loving children watching online, I am very happy to be with you all to celebrate the 75th Independence Day. Freedom is our birthright, and today is the day we got freedom from British rule. As we are going through this pandemic, many are suffering in our country. During this time, we can express our freedom by loving one another, helping one another, and living for one another in times of need. I thank the management for inviting me to be a part of celebrate this day. With this, I conclude my word and bless everyone. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ma, for the good words that you have spoken on this very beautiful and auspicious occasion.
On the eve of 75th Independence Day, our school conducted few competitions for primary, secondary and senior secondary students of main school, DZ Wing and Khurda school. And the events were like English rhymes, poem, song, coloring, speeches, GK and quiz. And hearty congratulations to all the winners. And let's see the names of the winners here.
As it was mentioned, because of these protocols of SOP, the program is made both online and offline. Now I request our Sri Martin Francis will come and then propose vote of thanks for this program.
Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Mrs. Kiran Pani, though in this situation it was difficult, yet she could agree and come to our program. We are very grateful to her to give a short note of freedom which all should experience in life. I would like to thank the management for arranging such a program so that our students and parents and all related to Carmel could experience the independence of this day. Also thank all the teachers of 10 and 12 who cooperated to arrange the program, to decorate the stage, and do whatever necessary for this day. I thank IT team who are busy to produce a program for all of us, all the students. I also like to thank Almighty who has given such an occasion that all of us in this beautiful morning experience Indian freedom and feel one with each other. So thank you all for attending this. Also a special thanks to our parents and students who will be watching the program and be part of Carmel and be grateful to him who has given chance to be a part of Carmel. So thank you all. Have a good day. Jai Hind.